right, let's go ahead and talk about this. So I'm in a large rental truck. So we're going to be talking about it, comparing the differences. First, this vehicle, I'm guessing it's about 12 to 15 feet long. It's a Ford product. It may have the EcoBoost Turbo. I'm at about 68 miles an hour. I'm in the middle lane. The wind is definitely pushing the vehicle quite heavily. I've been in vehicles before like this, but it's been a few years. I find myself definitely watching the mirrors a lot more. And a lot of cars tend to tailgate you, ride you, and then cut you off. So I'm passing by this semi, hopefully you can see that. And I'm just checking my mirrors a lot more. I'm at about 75 miles an hour and this gray car behind me is still riding me quite heavily. I don't want to get to the right lane because I don't have enough experience driving this bigger vehicle and getting cut off, and I don't want to run into anyone. So I think the middle lane for me is the best. This will give you insight if you're learning how to drive, how important it is. Hopefully you can hear me, to check your mirrors, because I find that I'm checking my mirrors a lot more. Also, I'm not that comfortable. I'm 6'4", 260, and I'm finding myself very cramped in here. But the view out front is really good. And if you notice, the windshield is cracked, so I'm a little concerned about that. I did make a video on that. The height of the bridge is 15.4. My vehicle's not 15 feet 4 inches, so I don't have to worry about that. But I'm more aware of vehicles merging out. Are they using blinkers? Are they going to cut me off? Will I be able to stop? You know, that's a new consideration when you're driving vehicles like this. I find myself watching cars more and checking my mirrors. It's definitely a lot more anxiety and stress. The noise level is different because I'm driving a larger cargo van. You have to be more concerned with weight, stopping, acceleration. I'm trying not to be on top of cars. I'm trying to lift my foot and manage my space. Where in a car, you can go as fast as you want legally, be on top of cars and cut off, but there's definite pressure. See, I'm getting the stink eye, but it's all good. I'm still trying to do my job. I'm definitely squeezing the wheel. My shoulders are definitely real tight. They shouldn't be. I'm looking ahead. I see brake lights, so I'm lifting my foot off the gas. The left lane is the passing lane. I'm just going to stay in the middle. And you find yourself right on top of cars more. And this silver car behind me, they're right in my blind spot. Like, I can't even see them. So that's very uncomfortable. If I was in a car, I could see them, but you can, if I hit my brakes, they would hit me. And I'm just lifting my foot. So I got a choice. Do I hit this gas and get over to the left, which I probably will, or do I stay stuck in this wolf pack of cars? It's a very different perspective. And if you're a truck driver, you're used to this. I'm not a truck driver. I do have a chauffeur's license. I'm gonna make a lane change, blinkers on. And now I feel a lot better, but now I have to go faster. And this vehicle, I had to look up, it's definitely got a lot more pep than I thought. So how much did it cost to rent this? I'm going about 400 miles to pick up another content creator. So it's $100 for the first 100 miles. And then after that, they add on rates. So I had to put down about $250 on my card. I did take a picture of the windshield. I posted a video on that. And you see me definitely, the steering wheel is much smaller than I thought. It's almost like a car, but it's a bigger van. And I'm definitely very tense out here. So I'm just trying to keep my space and see all this traffic. I gotta turn this heat down. It's definitely getting a little too warm in here for me. I'm just trying to keep space and keep moving. I'm really aware of what's in front of me. And when you drive bigger vehicles, you're checking your mirrors more if you really want to be that safe driver. And I want to be that safe driver. If you're a truck driver or you're driving bigger vehicles, I know people will comment, and that's what I want you to do. But I think this definitely gives you a really nice perspective